During this series of videos, we've been talking about habits and adult learning. And if you haven't seen any of our videos so far, my name is Celine Mullins. I'm the founder of Adaptus Training. And at Adaptus Training, we work with companies in Ireland and internationally developing people. And we work with groups and with teams, and we also work one-to-one with people. And over the course of the last 11 years of working with organizations, I have, noticed what helps people embed the learning long-term and what gets in the way of embedding this change or the learning long-term. And we've just published a series of books called the Maximizing Brain Potential series. The first book is called Our Learning Brain. And just with these videos, we are bringing some of the topics from the book to life and to get you thinking about these topics and how you can apply them back in your own life. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about neuroplasticity. Our brain's ability to learn and change is dependent on the brain's chemistry and architecture in a process called neuroplasticity. Now, many of you may have heard of neuroplasticity, but not everybody has. And there is a leader in research in this area of neuroplasticity called Michael Merzenich. And he says that every brain is plastic. From the day we are born till the day we die, our brain keeps changing. And it can either improve or decline depending on what you do with it. And I think this is really, really interesting, and it's really good news that has really only been established in the last couple of decades. And even in the last 5 years, all the research that's been done bringing together neuroscience, psychology, physiology, nanotechnology, computer scientists are all working on this and exploring what's actually happening in our neurons. And as I say, the ability for the brain to change, it's there. Regardless of what we're experiencing, our brain is changing. However, we can help it change in the direction that we want, depending on what we focus on. So what you feel now, what you think, can all change depending on what you focus on. And so if you think about this for yourself as an adult, this means that if you challenge your brain, you can actually get this neuroplasticity really, really working for you. So say, for example, if you usually brush your teeth with your right hand and you start to brush your teeth with your left hand, it'll be really difficult and challenging, but if you challenge yourself over a few weeks to get used to it, this is going to get your brain working more. And by getting that brain working, you're actually going to keep it potentially healthier for longer. So I think this is really good news, and it's worth thinking about. So check out Our Learning Brain, which is the first book in the Maximizing Brain Potential series, which talks about neuroplasticity more and will help you think about your own learning and your own habit change and understand how you can actually take the information that you're learning at workshops, at programs, from podcasts, from videos, from the books that you read, and apply it for long-term behavioral change.